Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to forward voice messages on Instagram. So as you can see, it's a voice memos, and if I tap and hold on it, here you can see the reply option and unsent option, and it doesn't have any option to forward the voice message, but you can follow a little tricks to forward this message. To do that, open your control center, and here you will get this recording button. All you have to need, just tap on the record button, and then you have to play the voice from here, and it will start to record your voice. And then you have to again tap on the recording to stop the recording, and your recorded file will be saved to your Photos app. And once it's saved to your Photos app, you will be able to forward or send the voice recording with anyone. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.